Review topic number 8. We're on to isotope notation, mass number, atomic number. Okay, so isotope notation looks like this. You have the symbol of the element, and then to the left of the element, you have some numbers. The top number, the one that is higher, that's the superscript, would be the mass number. And the mass number represents the number of protons plus the number of neutrons, all the particles in the nucleus. And then the bottom number on the left, the subscript, is the atomic number. And the atomic number, by definition, is the number of protons. So if I want to find the number of neutrons, I do this, it's kind of set up like math, like this number's on top, this number's underneath. I subtract them and I will get number of neutrons. Okay, so let's look. Carbon 14. How would I write its isotope notation? Okay, well, carbon's atomic number is 6. The mass number 14 came from right here, this 14, so it would look like this. Neon 22, I already have the symbol. I would have to look up on the periodic table and see that it has 10 protons, and it would look like this. So what if an element has 17 protons, 17 electrons, and 18 neutrons? Well, I look on the periodic table to find atomic number 17. There we go. How do I get this 35? I would add protons and neutrons to get the 35. So let's just look at a couple more examples. So hopefully you are a little bit more clear about this concept. So I could write magnesium 25. So if I wanted to write that in isotope notation, I would go to the periodic table, find magnesium, there's its symbol, there's its atomic number. Start there, okay? Magnesium 12. Notice when I wrote the symbol, that's a lowercase g. That was the atomic number. The 25, the mass number, goes up here. Now to find the number of neutrons, I would just do this math. 25 minus 12 would be 13 neutrons. So this atom of magnesium, this isotope, would have 12 protons, 12 electrons, and 13 neutrons. All right, let's look at another one. If I had this. Okay, well, that's hydrogen 3, so symbol H. Where does that 3 go? At the top. What number goes here? Check the periodic table. It's 1. How do I find out how many neutrons? 3 minus 1, it would have 2 neutrons. I have a messy T. Okay, so hopefully that helps. That is isotope notation with mass number and atomic number.